Hi guys, welcome back to Technoxity. This is Nan Ahmed back with another video. So guys, in today's video, as you guys have already seen the thumbnail and read the title as well, you know what we are going to do today in this video. So first of all, we will head towards the new update, that's the 0.12 update of PUBG Mobile that you recently updated. That was just a few days ago. So in this there is a lot of new features added to PUBG Mobile, the Darkest Night, some skins, and most importantly I'll just show you just a second. And we have the Cherry Blossom Dacia Spring Draw and the Pink Rose Spring Draw events going now. And how to get this for free. So here, as you can see on the screen, it's for 60 UC and here it's for 40 UC. So what you guys need to do is head over towards your inventory, and you will surely have those these passes, treasure voucher, that's for 30 UC, 40 UC and 50 UC. You will get it when you update the app. And I missed out two of them, and so I just have the 30 UC one. Until then, let's collect everything. Okay, first let me collect everything guys, so that we don't miss out on anything. And here it's done. And I also had one thing to tell you guys, how to use the egg that was rewarded there. So you need to go down in this section, and over here you find the springtime vibrant eggs. You need to collect 5 vibrant eggs to open up this crate. That will give you a BP. Maybe it may give you 500 to 300 BP. And what egg am I talking about? I'm talking about this egg guys. This egg will be used there. If you collect 5 of them, you will get the crate from there. And heading on to the topic and treasure voucher, click on use and you will head over here. When you click on this thing, treasure voucher will pay 30 for you, and then you need to pay 30 UC. As I don't have any UC with me, I'll head off to the Pink Rose set. It's also 40 UC. You guys just go ahead and check out your inventory. You will surely find 140 UC and 150 UC vouchers. As I have only 30 UC, I'm not showing you how to use it, and you guys just know how to use it guys. Just go here, Pink Rose set, tap on the 40 UC start button, and as you can see over here, 30 treasure voucher of 30 UC. Do not use coupon, you can just give that as well, or you can use the 40 UC and 50 UC if you have it in your inventory. And guys, this is not a clickbait video. Make sure you try this trick and you will surely get it. But I guarantee you that you will get the M4 and the costume at the last only, because PUBG Mobile doesn't give away things like that. And that's it guys. You got 2 updates in this video, and that was up. And thanks for watching. Meet you in the next one. Until then, stay subscribed and watch other videos about how to complete PUBG missions easily, that too very easily. And that's it. Goodbye. Meet you in the next one. Stay subscribed.